Hello guys, welcome to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for more civil engineering updates. So today our topic is about the civil engineering softwares, the names and the list of the softwares which are used in different for different purposes, means for analysis, for designing, for to draw the modeling. We use the different civil engineering softwares. So we will going to discuss their names and their purposes, right? So the first category which it includes is the map, because it's the basic one, the civil engineering software used for the maps, right? The second one we call is the structure analysis and design, the softwares which is used for the structure analysis and design, right? The third category which it includes is the earthquake analysis and design, for earthquake design, for earthquake analysis, right? The fourth category, it has the geotechnical analysis, right? For geotechnical or soil investigation analysis, we use the other category of softwares, right? And the last softwares which I will try to list here is the for project management. It's very important. For project planning and management, we use other softwares, and these are five categories of softwares which are used mostly in civil engineering. And if one should know these softwares, I think he is able to cope every problem, right? So the softwares which are used to draw the maps either in 2D or 3D is, the first one is the very important, is Autocad. It's 3D as well as the 2D. It will work with the 2D and 3D. The other software is the Google Sketchup. That's also very common nowadays, and I personally use this software for 3D modeling. The other is 3D Max, advanced software, 3D Max, a very old software. And number 4 is the Maya, is also used for 3D modeling. These are the software which are used for the maps, to know the maps and to draw the maps of buildings of different projects. And now coming to the structure analysis and design, this is the other category, and this category also is some types of software which are used, and the most important is the SAP 2000 software. It's used for the structure analysis and design, a really important, a very famous software used for the structure analysis, developed by the CSI Computer and Structure Incorporated company. A second is the Etab software is also used, and the safe software is also used, but this software is mostly for the slabs, right? Slabs and footing, this software is used, slabs and footing. And the fourth one is the Start Pro, we can say. Start Pro is also used for the structure analysis and design. These are the four types of the structure analysis and design software, and these are very important to know if you are going to the design field. Alright, so and now the earthquake analysis and design softwares. The first one is the most important, Seisomostructe, right? A very important software for earthquake analysis. And we can also use the Edu software, used for the soil investigation as well as for earthquake analysis. And now the geotechnical softwares, it is also some softwares are used. GeoStudio is used for the geotechnical investigation, and the FLAC 3D, FLAC 3D is also used for the soil investigation, the rock investigation, properties of the soil. We use these two softwares, right? And the other is the project management. To know about this, the start of the software, when you going to commence any project, first you will need the project planning and management. So this category includes the two types of software which are used commonly, is the Primavera and the MS project, right? So these were some categories, 5 categories which a civil engineer must know about these. If he's not expert in any of these, but he should make some knowledge about these softwares. But he must know about the Autocad. It's very important, about the SAP 2000. Not about these tools. Some of the engineers know about the Seisomostructe and Flex 3D, and Primavera MS project are also really important for civil engineering students. The other programming software is MATLAB. I can say it, the MATLAB programming software, Python or MATLAB, but MATLAB is fine if someone know about this software, or Python. These are also really important for the coding, right? For the coding, these two software programming languages should be known to a civil engineer if you want to master the civil engineering subjects. So this was all about the civil engineering softwares which are used commonly, and to which the projects are going, these softwares are used, right? And if you have any question, you can comment. We will get to you as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos, and thank you for watching our video.